Now that you've learned how to maintain your visual consistency across your brand, it's time to put that knowledge into action. Here's what you need to do. Go to your brand style guide. This guide is your brand's manual. It will help ensure your brand is presented consistently always. In the first pages, you will see you have plenty of space to use to add your logo, variations, and how to use them. This guide will provide you and your team with clear instructions on how to use your brand's visual elements, your logos, typography, color palette, and so on. It will make sure that everyone, whether it's your internal team or external collaborators, is on the same page when it comes to creating content that reflects your brand accurately. It will help maintain consistency even as your business grows or when partnered with other brands. It will ensure that your brand's identity stays strong. So what you are going to do here in the guide is to add all of your brand elements, the one that you approve of and you are sure that you want to keep on using for your brand. Next, you are going to create a brand package. The brand package is a digital folder such as Google Drive, Dropbox, etc., where you store all of your brand's approved visual assets. This should include your logos, both your main and alternative variations of it, including transparent versions of your logo, for example, to use on different backgrounds. Your watermarks, if you have them, your icons, your doodles, illustrations, or any other brand elements like graphics, patterns, or design compositions you have, and your brand style guide. By keeping everything in one place and sharing it by just a link, you make it easy for team members, collaborators, or partners to access and use the correct materials. This ensures that everyone is working with approved and up-to-date assets that reflect your brand's identity. A tip here is to update your brand package regularly to ensure that all materials are current and stay consistent with your brand as it evolves. Once your brand style guide and your brand package are in place, you will have a powerful resource to manage and maintain your brand's visual identity across all channels, all platforms, and partnerships. You will also have a streamlined process for onboarding new team members, for example, or sharing assets with your collaborators. Believe me, you will use this link a lot.